Hey there, little explorers! Welcome to the Enchanted Forest. I'm Monkey, your adventurous guide through this magical place, Waves. Today, we're going to meet some amazing friends who live right here with me. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, we have our tall and graceful friend, Giraffe.
Hello, everyone. I'm Giraffe. I love eating leaves from the tallest trees in the forest. Giggles. I can see everything from up here.
Next, say hello to the bouncy and fluffy rabbit.
Hi, friends. I'm Rabbit. I love hopping around and exploring the forest floor. Giggles. I'm super fast too.
Look who's here, our sly and clever friend, Fox.
Hey, little buddies. I'm Fox. I'm great at sneaking around and finding the yummiest berries in the forest. Join me for a tasty adventure.
Now let's meet our wise and nocturnal friend, Owl.
Greetings, young ones. I'm Owl. I love staying up late, and my keen eyes help me see in the dark. I'm here to share my wisdom with you all.
Wow, aren't my friends amazing? We have Giraffe, Rabbit, Fox, and Owl, all part of our Enchanted Forest family. Each friend has something special to teach us. Can you remember their names? That's right, Giraffe, Rabbit, Fox, and Owl. We'll have lots of fun exploring and learning with them in our upcoming adventures. Until next time, little explorers, bye-bye!